going to do a product review on Nature's Blossom Body Butter and also on Nature's Blossom Makani Stick. I got these two products from Marie's. She is the owner of Nature's Blossom Skincare. It is 100% organic, vegan, and natural skincare, and it is available in the UAE. I will start by reviewing the body butter. The packaging is very neat and it looks very professional. It's got a very nice look to it. The color is beautiful. The smell is so natural and the touch is very soft. I'll tell you why it's so very soft. Because it contains 100% organic cacao butter, shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, rosehip, and lavender essential oils. As you have heard, the main ingredient for this body butter is shea butter. Shea butter has lots of minerals and vitamins for the skin. And this is why it's such an amazing product for dry skin and for eczema. A lot of people would love to have this body butter as a gift as well. The smell is amazing and I will be tasting it now just to feel how it feels on my skin. It's so soft with all the oils that's included. It's a really soft body butter. Marie's recommend that you apply the body butter after your shower bath in the evening so your skin absorbs all the beautiful minerals and vitamins and it makes it nice and soft as well. And you go to bed smelling so amazing. So the price for the body butter is only 80 dirhams available in the UAE, considering that this product is no harmful ingredients, only 100% natural ingredients. Now we will review the Makani stick. The Makani stick has witch hazel, aloe vera, tea tree essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, orange essential oil, and also it mentioned how you should use it on the label. The packaging is also very nice and it looks professional. The smell is so good. I can smell the tea tree oil. And the main ingredient for the Makani stick is the witch hazel. And as everybody knows that the witch hazel is a natural cleanser and toner and it doesn't dry out your skin. So what are the pros and the cons for these two products? The pros, definitely everybody can use it. There's no harmful chemicals in these products. Of course, we all need to take care when we start using a new product and we are unsure. So make sure that you test the product on a certain part like your hand, or, you know, if you've got acne, try it on one acne and see how it works. In the UAE for now. Marie's is working on her business and it's still a business that she started recently. So in the future, she will have more delivery areas for her amazing Nature's Blossom products. I would recommend this product to everyone. Like I said, no harmful ingredients in this product. And I hope that you have enjoyed this product review. If you've got a product for me to review, get in contact with me.